Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to choose the right loan amounts on Upstart in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get into it. Now, selecting the right loan amount is crucial to avoid borrowing more than needed or struggling with high payments. So just follow these steps and it's going to help you to choose the right loan amount. Now, the first you got to do is to calculate your exact needs. So list your expenses, that's your credit card debts, medical bills, home improvement costs, whatever it is. Just list your expenses first, and then add a small buffer for unexpected costs, but always avoid over borrowing. So small buffer, but not too much. Next, you're going to consider monthly payment affordability. So use Upstart's loan calculator to help you estimate your monthly payments, and make sure your total debt payments, which includes the new loan, doesn't exceed 40% of your monthly income. Next, you got to factor in origination fee. So if you need a $10,000 loan and the origination fee is 8%, you're only going to receive 9,200 after fees. In such cases, request slightly more than you need to cover the deduction. So I would go above 10,000 by a bit, so that covers the origination fee, and then you get the 10,000. Next, you can compare loan terms. So shorter terms, that's 3 years. These have higher monthly payments, but lower total interest. Whereas longer terms, that's 5 years, has lower monthly payments but higher total interest. So compare the loan terms to determine which is best for you. Also, you want to avoid over borrowing. So reiterate, stick to what you need. Borrowing extra can lead to unnecessary interest costs, so you want to make sure that you avoid that. And also consider making partial prepayments if you receive extra income, because that's going to help you take care of those on time. Also, you're going to check for prepayment flexibility. So since Upstart has no prepayment penalty, you can afford to pay off the loan early, and that's going to help you to save on interest. Lastly, you want to review your credit impact. So larger loan amounts may impact your debt to income ratio, which can affect your future credit applications. So ensure that your requested amount fits your long-term financial goals. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.